on 78th Independence Day of India, my message to my young students is that they should fully appreciate the meaning of the word independence or freedom. It basically means all choices are open to them, all options are available to them. They have to work hard, continuously and consistently to realize their potential. They should realize all the time that there are no obstacles and impediments on their way, and all that they have to do is to mobilize all their strength, intellectual, emotional and physical, to produce wonderful results which will become the stepping stone for their lifetime success. Thank you.